Gtag has a brand new update, including 2 new limited edition WEAREVR cosmetics and a big, and I mean big, volcano. Alright, let's check out the cosmetics first. So, first of all, if you haven't already, subscribe. Second of all, WEAREVR has ended, Gtag is fixed, there's no need to worry, but it is pretty late if you want to hop on and try the VR stuff, the WEAREVR. Alright, you ready? Then now this is gonna get rid of my little duck, so monkey wearing Oculus. Amazing, right? Super cool. Also, now if you don't already know what this is, it's a Google Cardboard. It's a Google Cardboard, basically. If you can't already tell what that is, boom, playing Gtag and Gtag. So cool, right? Yeah, I'm just like, yeah, so cool. Anyway, but no, 2 new cosmetics. WEAREVR is over. Gtag's fixed. Anyway, let's head on to the update. All right, you ready? We're about to go into forest and go see the brand new update. 3, 2, 1. No, it's a volcano. Dude, there's no way. Alright, I also heard that if you put rocks into the volcano, it like emerges. Wait a minute. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that one bit. Uh-oh. 2 more. I guess 1 more. You know, I'll just do 2. Oh, wait a minute. Why do I feel so anxious? What is that? Lucy! Ah! Wait. No. I can't escape. Dude, what the? Lava? Excuse me. What? Alright. This is, more terrifying than it already should be. How am I supposed to get across from this? And how does that end? How does the volcano stop? I just need to know. Absolutely nothing. Apparently if you do it in Publix, that you turn into a lava monkey. But bro, dude, why does everything look RTX? Dude, everything looks RTX for some reason. Dude, it's so weird, like everything's so shiny. Doug, come here, let me save you. Wait. What do I do? Dude, this is so hard. It's way harder than it looks. Dude, I'm trying to keep Doug safe. You know what? Just because you barely mean anything to us. Alright. And coming with us today is the new Forest Lava Cosmetics. Now, this is probably the first thing everybody's gonna see. The 5,000. Probably not gonna be able to show. I mean, I could. Alright, let's do it. I was gonna say, probably not gonna be able to show me some of it, but it's okay. I'll come back later. Alright. Alright, let's see it. Okay, let's first see the Phoenix. Oh, that's cute. Burn me alive. That's cool. I'll check you out later. You seem interesting. What do you do with this? So just... What's the point? Forget it. Oh, a mug. Anyway. Fan. This reminds me of someone. That's cool. Alright, I still don't know what this is. I still don't know what it does. What's the point of it? Is it just to work your hand up or something? Alright, this is also something I wanted to see, the heart ring. Does it do anything when put in fire like the other ones? Probably not, because it's already on fire. The volcano badge! Dude, this is sick. The umbrella. It kind of looks pretty cool, right? It's like punk, got the hat. It's okay. Now this looks like an off-brand like Doofenshmirtz, like you're about to say. Ah, Perry the Platypus, what an unexpected surprise. And when I mean unexpected, I mean unexpected. And finally the gloves. It's okay, I mean, just makes your hands look fat, that's all I know. I mean, yeah. Alright, here we go. So we're gonna start off with this. Pretty cool. I mean, is it? No, lava doesn't pour out when you do that. That would be pretty cool. This gives me. Oh my god, I'm BMT! I'm BMT! Look at me, I'm BMT. We have the spacesuit. For some reason, we have space stuff. Oh, so that looks pretty good. Okay, ready for the last one? Boom. Tag. Okay, no, I can't speak. Ready? Ham. That's false advertising. Is that what? No. Anyway, yeah, no, it's the new update, new stuff like that. Everything's new. And I've got my eye on you. I've got my eye on you. Ah! Alright, I know I missed it. You don't need to yell. Stop yelling! I know I missed it, okay? Ready? Oh, there's already a chunk taken out of it. Who ate my pepper? What? Uh-oh. What was? I didn't even look. What? I didn't even look up. It just did it.